Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to add realistic backgrounds to your photos using Google AI Studio. This is perfect if you want to replace a plain wall or messy backdrop with something clean, creative, or professional. First, go to aistudio.google.com and sign in with your Google account. From the dashboard, click Image Tools or Edit Image. Next, upload the photo you want to enhance. Once it loads, choose the Edit option and use the brush tool to highlight the background area you want to replace. Now in the text box, type a prompt for the background you'd like. For example, add a modern office background, or place me in a natural outdoor park with sunlight. Click Generate and Google A. I will remove the old background and replace it with a realistic new one that blends naturally with your photo. If it doesn't look quite right, just refine your prompt, like bright studio backdrop with soft lighting or professional conference setting. Once you're happy with the result, click Download to save your updated shot. And that's it. With Google AI Studio, you can instantly add realistic backgrounds and make your photos look polished and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI tips, and I'll see you in the next one.